Hello students, today I am going to start the new chapter electricity. So, electricity has plays a very important role in modern society. It is one form of energy which is used in variety of uses like in homes, schools, hospitals, industries and so on. So what is electricity? How does it flow in an electric circuit? So in this chapter we shall attempt to answer such all questions. The first one is electric current and circuit. So what is electric current? Is a very simply we call or we define as, so the flow of electric charges are called a electric current. Remember that the flow of electric charges through a conductor is called a electric current. So I will give here one example, that is, so see here, this is the torch. So here torch, there is two cells. This is the switch, this is the bulb. Okay, when switch is on, so torch bulb will glow. Okay, here the cells is called batteries. These two cells or provide a electric charges or electric current to the bulb. Yes or no? Yes. So here, see here, this is the switch. So what does a switch do here? A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. This is the schematic diagram of an circuit diagram. So see here, this is the switch, this is the bulb, this is the battery, this is the bulb, this is the switch. If a switch is closed, this is which is if switch is closed, so what happen? Bulb will glow. If switch is open, okay, what happens? Bulb will not glow, the bulb will off. So that means here batteries are provided electric charges. Those electric charges are flows through this circuit. So this is line will represent the wire. Okay, the electric charges will flow through this metallic wire and bulb will glow. Yes, okay. So this continuous and closed path, of an electric current is called an electric circuit. So this is called a electric circuit. Remember that this is called electric circuit. This is the continuous and closed path. Yes, this is a continuous and is the closed path of an electric current is called a electric circuit. If the circuit is broken anywhere, see here, if the circuit is broken here, if it is open, that means the circuit is broken. So that what happens? The current stops flowing and bulb does not glow. Yes, when the bulb does not glow, if the circuit is broken anywhere. Okay, how do we express electric current? It is expressed in, see that, the amount of charges. So electric current. So how do we express this? The amount of charges, flowing through a particular area in unit time. Okay, electric current is defined as amount of charges flowing through a particular area. This is particular area in unit time. So in other words, or we can define as rate of flow of electric charges. Rate of flow of electric charges. Electric charges is called what? Electric current. Electric current is rate of flow of electric charges or amount of charges flowing through a circuit or in particular area in unit time. So here see that and here one more thing you should remember, that So electrons were not known at the time when the phenomena of electricity was first observed. So they thought what electric current was considered to be a flow of positive charges, and direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. So here there are two types of electric current. One is electronic current. Remember that one is electronic current. Another one is conventional current. Conventional current. Okay, so the electrons were not known at the time when the phenomena of electricity was first observed. They thought what electric current was considered to be flow of positive charges. So here the electric current are mainly due to positive charges, and also the direction of electric current will follow the direction of flow of electric charges. In which direction these positive charges will flow, so that direction only electric current will flow. But after the discovery of the electrons, so in an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. So that here the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the, if the electrons are flowing like this in this direction, the electric current is flowing opposite to this direction of electrons. Remember that this is the conventional current. So now we follow the conventional type or conventional current. The conventional current means what? Here in an electric circuit, the direction of electric current, see, remember that the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons. The electrons are negatively charged. Electrons are negatively charged. Electrons are negatively charged particles. We know that atoms are, this is the atom. So atom is made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. We know that electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, neutrons are neutral. Yes. So here at the center of the atom, here protons and neutrons are there. Electrons are revolved around the proton and neutron. These two called proton and neutrons are called what? Nucleus. You already learnt in chemistry. Yes. So this protons and neutrons is called nuclear. The electrons are revolved around the nucleus. This is the called nucleus. Okay. These electrons are mainly reason for the flow of electric current. Remember that due to flow of electrons, electric current will flow through the circuit, and the direction of the electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons. Remember that. How do we define the electric current in equation? So see here, this is the I is equal to Q by T. You should remember that this equation. I is equal to Q by T. So this is, see here, if a net charge, Q is the net charge, flows across any cross section of a conductor. If taken, this is the conductor, like this is a charge. Charge is a conductor. If you taken this circuit diagram, here the net charge, the flowing of charges is called electric current. The net charge is flows across any cross section of a conductor in a unit time t. In a time t, then current I is defined as Q by T. Okay. The SI unit of charge. Remember the SI unit of charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb. You should remember that SI unit of charge is coulomb. So this coulomb, which equivalent to charge contain nearly 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. And one more thing here, that electrons possess a negative charge, and its charge is, electron possess a negative charge, its charge is 1.6 into minus 1.6. Remember that this is negative charge means minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, and the SI unit of current is ampere. Remember that SI unit of current is ampere. Okay, the SI unit of current is ampere. So here 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second, that is 1 ampere. How to define 1 ampere? Remember that 1 ampere is defined as 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charges, 1 coulomb of charge per second, that is 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. So this is Q divided by T. So Q is represented in coulomb, T is in seconds. Yes. So okay, the next one is an instrument which is used to measure the electric current in a circuit is called ammeter. Ammeter which is used to measure the electric current in a circuit. Remember that an instrument which is used to measure the electric current in a circuit is ammeter. Okay, this is one more question. Then it is always connected in series. It is always connected in series. Okay, so see here the circuit diagram is, so this is the battery and this is the bulb, this is the switch. Okay, and here there is the ampere. This ampere is always connected in series. This is which, this is positive to negative. And here one thing is that, so the electric current is always flow from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. Remember that the electrons are move like this. Okay, but electric current will flow like this. The current will flow like this and the electrons are move like this. The electrons are move from electric negative terminal to positive terminal, but the current will always flow from positive terminal to negative terminal because this is the conventional current. This is conventional current. Okay. Okay. So see here. I told that what the electric current is always flows in the circuit from positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell through the bulb and the ammeter. And ammeter is a instrument which is used to measure the electric current in a circuit. Okay, so thank you students.